Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super eager to jump out of my comfort zone, and one of my favorite artists over on Instagram right now is Alistair Rath. I'm going to be recreating this look specifically today, and I think I did a pretty good job, so if you want to see me recreate this look, then keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to first do my face, so I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to apply a light layer of my ColourPop No Filter foundation stick. And blend it out using my Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of my face using my ColourPop No Filter concealer. I'm going to blend this out using my Morphe M173 brush. While we're here, I'm going to prime my eyes with that same brush and my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Now I'm going to set where we just concealed using my Morphe E48 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Morphe M527 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Now using the Neon Green Makeup of Murder Poison pigment mixed with a little bit of water, I'm going to begin making our squiggly green shape. Alright, now I'm going to fill this in. Now using a small M250-1 brush and the shade Blackout by Urban Decay, I'm going to go around all of the green and begin shading. He focuses the black more in the little crevices between the squiggles, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Now using a Morphe M431 brush and the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to take Real Gar and begin blending that into the black. Now I'm going to go back in with the black and deepen that up a little bit. Now I'm going to pick up Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette on just a small little flat brush and blend that in between the black and that orange. Now I'm going to take a mixture of Real Gar and Raw Sienna and blend that into the brown. Now using an M518 brush and a nude eyeshadow, I'm going to blend out the edges into my skin. Alright, now using a black liquid eyeliner, I'm going to make the black drip, I guess you could call it, that is in the middle of his eyes. I'm going to try to make it line up with my pupil, so I'm going to like look straight and then try to make it line up perfectly with both of them. Whew, I don't know if that's going to work out very well, because I know in pictures it's going to be hard, but we're going to try our best. Alright, so I just looked straight ahead and put lines where I want the middle of the drips to be, and they line up almost perfectly with the bump in the squiggle. I love these technical terms that we're using. So I'm going to make the drip now. The easiest way I can explain how to do this, ooh, look at that, is to just measure how big your pupil is and just put a line either straight or just a little nick on both sides, and then I like to make like a triangle kind of shape, and then the drip goes wider at the end. So the bottom of my eyes have a lot of creases in them, so I'm going to be looking down to the bottom drip part, so you won't be able to see that, I'm sorry, but you will be able to see how I did the top. So that is the basic shape that we will be making, basically a triangle and then a oval kind of shape that goes into the tip. That's how to make a drip. And then I'm going to just fix the little, fix all the details and stuff later. So I'm just going to fill this in and show you how I'm going to do that. There we go. That is the shape that we're going to make on the top. Going to do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to take that same liquid liner and create some black dots both inside the green and outside. Now using a nail dotting tool, my BH Cosmetics white concealer, I'm going to put some white dots inside of this black drip. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm all done with my eyes, so now let's start working on the face. First, I'm going to contour using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. For blush, like usual, I'm going to take my Morphe M405 brush and my ColourPop Super Soft Blush in the shade Holiday. For highlight, I'm going to take my Morphe M501 brush in the shade Marshmallow from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lip in the shade Malice. Once this dries, I'm going to put some lip gloss over it to make it all shiny. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!